free. The absolute best possible price for everything, and that is exactly how much it is going to cost you to build a coming soon page. Coming soon page, why is it important? Well, it's going to mean your customers, potential clients don't see a broken website. It means that you're not losing sales or losing leads before your website is ready. And it means you can project a really high quality image of your business, portfolio, whatever it is that you are doing. And you can do all of this for free. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do in the next few minutes. So let's go. Okay, to do this for free, we're going to need a little bit of help from a free plugin. So we're going to come across to your WordPress admin dashboard, head across to plugins just here and go to add plugin. This is going to drop you off at the WordPress plugins repository, and we're going to go ahead and search plugins. We're just going to search for SeedProd, which I didn't spell correctly. There we go. It should pop up in this top left-hand corner here, which it absolutely has, and we're just going to click on install now. Once it's installed, we just go ahead and activate. Now, there is a pro paid version of SeedProd, which gives you a ton more features, but we can absolutely build this coming soon page for free using the free version, which is exactly what we have now. Once it's activated, you're going to get dropped to this SeedProd pages page. Or what we can do is we can come across to the left-hand side here and we can just click on SeedProd in the sidebar. From this page, we can see at the top here, we've got a few options. Login and 404 page not available because we don't have Pro. And then you're going to have options for maintenance mode and coming soon mode. Now for you, this button here is just going to show up as set up coming soon, something like this button here. So we're just going to go ahead and click on that just here. This is going to drop you through to the templates page. So we've got loads and loads of templates that we can choose from. Now we're obviously doing a coming soon page, so we filtered by coming soon, but there's loads more options if you're doing something different. All you have to do is come down here and find something you like the look of. Now, it doesn't have to be exactly relevant to your brand because we're going to be able to change and amend this to suit your brand. So just find something that you like the overall presentation of that you think would suit you. So I'm just going to have a look here and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use this one. So just select there and name the page. So coming soon page. And let's go. So now let's amend this using only the free tools that are available. You can see over here, there's a few things that are locked off. We can't use any of these. There's some really great conversion tools there, but we're going to stick with the free tools and do this with no cost. The first thing we want to do is we're going to change this background image out. It looks great, but maybe I'm not a catering service or whatever this is. So let's just click on the settings down here, go across to background, and I can change the background image. So I'm just going to remove that one. And now you do have the option for a stock image, but again, pro only. So let's pick one of my own by clicking on use your own image. I've got a few options here from various different things that I have used before. I'm going to go ahead and select this one. Basically, I'm going to do it as if it's a bakery. So you've got this really nice background image of a bakery. Let's say it's my bakery, because why not? Everybody loves baked goods. We've still got this centerpiece here, which is really going to allow our messaging to stand out. So let's go ahead and start to amend some of this. First, I'm just going to click on the Get Ready here. Now, I can change the font for this if I want over in the advanced section and the typography, but I really like this. I think it looks great. So just in the content, I'm just going to change what it says. I'm just going to put in new location coming soon. Add a little bit more mystery. Now we can use this to start building some leads as well. So let's click on this text right here. And I'm going to say, sign up to be the first to try our new menu and get a special discount. So we're really enticing people to sign up because there's a reason. They've now got a discount that they can pick up. Now we've got a contact us button down here, which we can link out to our email or anything like that. However, what I can also do, should I want to, is I can add a contact form. So you just drag that into this space here, and we can install WP Forms. So if you have WP Forms, which again, you can use completely for free, you can create a form using WP Forms, which is pretty much the best WordPress forms builder, and you can just drop it in here to get all of the information you want. And it really helps people to actually sign up a lot faster, and it means that you're more likely to generate some leads. I will cover that, how to actually add the contact form with WP Forms, a little bit later, so hang around for that. I'm just going to delete that one just there for the moment. Next up, we're going to go up to this SeedProd logo here. Of course, we don't need a SeedProd logo because we're not SeedProd, we're a bakery. So let's change this out. Again, you can see just here that I've got options, so let's just delete that. I'm going to choose my own image. I'm going to come across, I'm actually going to upload a brand new file. So I can come to upload files here and select files. I've got my logo just here, so I can select that. And there we go, we have my logo in there now. So we have a reason for people to contact us. We've got a great looking coming soon page. We've got a reason for people to actually get in touch and maybe start to build our mailing list, build up some leads and some contacts. And we've got a great image in the background. So once we're happy with this, we can save it. And then all you have to do is come across to your SeedProd pages page and toggle it on. So this coming soon mode is now active. That means that that is the page that people are going to see when they come across your website. They're not going to see any changes that you're making. You're not going to see anything kind of broken on the back end, and you're already starting to develop leads, and it's a really professional look for your particular business. So you can't really go wrong. And then once you're ready, once your website is available and you want to make it live, just toggle that back off again. It really is that simple. Now, I did mention earlier about adding that WP Forms contact form in there, and if you want to see me do that, then you want to click on this video right here.